What I have here is we made a seafood mixture. And we're going to make a seafood chimichanga. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to display it in the box, which I'll show you later after we cook it. So,
I'm doing crab stuffed mushrooms that I'm going to bread and I'm going to deep fry, and then I'm going to put an avocado crema on top of each one.
So what we do is we took the chuck roast, and you take that and you can put it in your oven and let it sit in your oven at about 350 for about 2.5 hours. It just depends on the size of the chuck roast. What you want to do is you want to take a probe, your temp probe, and you want to probe the meat, right? So what you want is you want to be able to stick your probe in, and your probe be able to slide in extremely easy, right? What we're doing is an empanada, so you take the tri-tip, put it inside. We have a little bit of Havarti cheese down here, roasted red pepper, and a little bit of butter just to try and give it that little extra pop.
Let's go.
here we go.
See what happens. Judge's hands now, baby. It's in the judge's hands. We'll see what happens.